Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing all good. Today we're diving into a heartwarming classic Ghanaian beef and pork lye soup, also known as pepper soup. This is rich, spicy and also very satisfying. This soup is household favorite and it goes well with fufu very well. Trust me, you're going to love it. Do also subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing recipes like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. So grab your aprons and let's start cooking. We begin with our flavorful base, which is the vegetables. In a medium-sized pot, I'm going to add some fresh garden eggs. You can also feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. Next, I'll also go in with some carrots, pepper, and I'll also add some dia or white beans to it. And last but not the least, let's go in with one medium-sized onion. Now we're going to pour water to cover the vegetables and bring it to a boil. Cover the pot and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes or until everything is soft and cooked through. Okay, by now your kitchen should already be smelling delicious. That's the power of fresh ingredients coming together. Trust me, this should smell really good. Alright, so once we're done with the vegetables, let's move on to the meat. I'm using a combination of beef and also flavorful pork. Feel free to choose out your preferred meat. Okay, we're going to place our meat into our cooking pot, and once that is done, we will also season it very well. Also make sure to wash your proteins very well to avoid any other thing that you don't want in your soup. Okay, now to seasoning this protein, I'll go in with some meat seasoning powder, garlic ginger paste. Next, I also go in with some tomato paste as well. You can also use the fresh tomatoes instead of the tomato paste and you are good to go. Now moving forward, I also go in with some chopped onions and some salty taste as well. And don't forget to add in some garlic and ginger powder if you want to. It's totally optional since we already have some blended or grated garlic ginger in it. No need adding in the powdered one. Okay, you can also feel free to use any spice of your choice. Now I'll go in with a little bit of water. I'll stir very well and allow it to cook until the meat is nice and very tender. So let's cook the meat for approximately 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat until it's nice and ready. So whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank all my returning and new subscribers right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so this is after 10 minutes of cooking the meat and it's turned already. I will leave it to steam for additional 5 to 10 minutes and it should be ready. Yes, at this point this place smells really good. The flavors from the meat is coming together very nicely and that's what I'm looking for. So now that the meat is nicely cooked, it's time for us to pour in our blended vegetable mixture. Stir gently to combine. Add more water to reach your desired soup consistency. If you like the soup to be very thick, then I would advise not to use a lot of water or add in a lot of water. If you also want it more light, then it's up to you to add in more water to your preferred consistency. Okay, now we're going to stir everything together very nicely. Give it a taste to adjust your seasoning. As salt, maybe the seasoning was not enough. This is the time to add in salt to taste. Okay, all right, so I will cover and allow it to cook on low medium heat for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. At this point, I want to also use this opportunity to remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing recipes like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Now we've been cooking our soup for about 30 to 40 minutes now, and our Ghanaian beef and pork lice soup is ready. Look at the color, the aroma, and trust me, the aroma is everywhere in this kitchen. Do trust the process and you're going to love it. Now we're going to serve this hot pepper soup with some plantain and cassava fufu. You can also enjoy this soup with any swallow or any combo of your choice. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then do let me know what you think about this pepper soup or beef and pork pepper soup like soup in the comment section, and I'll be glad to read all your amazing comments down below. Also, thanks for cooking with me today on Cooking with Efia. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with someone who loves good food. Until next time, keep cooking with love. Bye.